In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add volunteer experience on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to enhance your professional profile or just ensure that all aspects of your experience are covered, this guide will walk you through it, step by step, ensuring you make the most of your LinkedIn profile. First things first, to get started, you'll need to navigate to linkedin.com and log into your account. If you have your username and password saved, this process should be pretty swift. Once logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed, which is usually populated with updates from your network. From here, you're just a few clicks away from showcasing your volunteer experience. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This icon often shows your photo, and clicking it provides a drop-down menu that offers several options related to your profile and account settings. This is your gateway to accessing your profile page, where you can make edits and additions. Next, click on your profile name from the options available. This action will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see all your existing information like your current job, past experiences, educational history, and more. This is the main area where you'll be doing the edit today. Once on your profile page, find the Add Profile section button. This is an essential feature that lets you include various types of information on your profile, ranging from work experience to publications. It's a versatile tool that ensures you're presenting yourself thoroughly on this professional platform. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Add Profile section, you'll see various options pop up. Click on Additional. This category houses different elements that you might not have added to your profile yet, but could round out your profile nicely. Under Additional, choose the option titled Add Volunteer Experience. This feature allows you to share the volunteer work you've done, whether it's recent or from a while back. Volunteering not only speaks volumes about your commitment to community and causes, but also tends to resonate well with employers and connections alike. Now, you'll arrive at a page where you can input details about your volunteer work. Here, you'll be prompted to fill in specific fields. Input information such as the organization you volunteered with, your role, and a brief description of what you did. Be clear and concise, using language that reflects the skills and accomplishments gained during your volunteer tenure. Finally, once you've carefully entered all the relevant details, simply click Save. This last action ensures all your hard work in logging this experience is safely added to your profile. And there you have it. Your volunteer work is now part of your professional story that everyone who visits your LinkedIn profile can see. By following these steps, you've not only expanded what your profile says, but have made yourself more visible and attractive to potential employers and connections, showcasing the breadth and depth of your commitment and expertise.